Alright, ladies and gentlemen, tonight
holiday makers and business people, rock and roll fans and perverts.
I'm going to make an egg noodle dish with king prawns and Thai inspired pesto. And the ingredients I'm using today are black pepper, fresh red chilies, fresh red chilies, raw peanuts, so unsalted, of course some egg noodles, yep. Some salt, sesame oil, fresh coriander, fresh basil, then we need some limes, we need some olive oil, and we need king prawns, and I've got this thing sent to me from Ontario, Canada, and I will come to this little beauty at the end of this video. Smash in! Righty right, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's get started. Righty right, ladies and gentlemen, and the first thing to do is get your raw peanuts in a shell. We need about 75 grams, so get your peanuts, and now the funny part begins. You have to peel them, so shell them and then remove the skin. It's not working like I expected. Ah, there it goes. So yeah, you want the peanuts like this, and do this with the remaining ones. Smash in. Woo! After that much peeling, it's time for a zippy. Righty right, ladies and gentlemen, so I've added 25 grams of basil, 75 grams of my peanuts and 25 grams of coriander to the jug, and now I'm adding the zest and the juice of one lime to it as well. So give your lime a quick roll to make sure all of the juices are running out smoothly. And then simply add the juice of the lime as well, like so. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and now add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And now I'm adding 1 chili. You can deseed the chili if you want to, but I'm not going to. Chop it in, yeah, roughly chop it. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And 2 tablespoons of water. Then season with some salt. And now get your magic stick and puree all this stuff together, like so. Then give it a quick taste. And when you're happy, you're happy. Smash it. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and now set your Thai-inspired pesto aside until needed. Smash it. Whew. After that much work, it's definitely time for a zippy. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and now I get myself some kitchen towel. Then I get my king prawns. We need 400 grams of king prawns, and I just want to get rid of any excess water. So I pat them dry. Right, ladies and gentlemen, pat your king prawns dry. And set aside until needed. And now bring a kettle up to the boil, filled with water of course. And while you're waiting for your water is coming up to the boil, time for a zippy. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and now get yourself a large frying pan. To this add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and heat it up. Smash it. And while you're waiting for your oil is getting hot, it's time for a zippy. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and to a large bowl add about 300 grams of your egg noodles. And then cover with boiling water. like so. Give it a stir every now and then. Make sure everything is covered with water. And this should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Smashing. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and when your oil is hot, add your 400 grams of king prawns. And fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Smashing. Give it a stir every now and then. And while you're waiting for your prawns being cooked, time for the recipe. Don't forget to stir your prawns every now and then, because you don't want to overcook them. And I'm not sure if you can see the bonus of getting rid of the excess water. The prawns are actually frying and not steaming. There's still a little bit water in the prawns, of course. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and when your prawns are cooked, get your Thai pesto, the whole lot. Then get your noodles, don't drain them, just into the pan as well. And add a little bit of your cooking water, probably a ladle. Then mix everything up. Bring the heat up to high. Make sure the pasta is coated with your Thai pesto. Get your prawns in. You have to make sure everything is coated evenly. And actually, this dish is really nice if you are living on the budget, because it's very cheap. So, and now season with black pepper. Give it the final stir. Take it off the heat. And now it's time to plate up. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and here we have it. Egg noodles with king prawns and a Thai-inspired pesto. If you have any leftover coriander, sprinkle it over. This dish is really nice if you are living on a budget, because it's cheap, it's tasty, anyway, as always, at this time, at this place, at this very moment, it's time for a tea. Bye bye and see you next time. Right, ladies and gentlemen. And now it's time for the unrevealing of this magic box here. So I got this from Canada, Ontario. I don't give you the exact location, but let's see what's in there. Oh! This looks... So, first thing I have to show you. Steam whistle. This looks like beer. Oh! Oh! And I have a DVD. JB cooking videos. JB stands for the green bastard. Smash it. So I know what I'm going to do tonight. Right, so here we have the steam whistle carton. I will definitely keep this one, because this looks amazing, and it's from Canada. So let's see what else we've got here. Ooh. Some thingies. So we have the green bastard rub barbecue spice. Smash it. And I want to show you the logo. The ingredients are paprika, garlic, again, ingredients, paprika, garlic, oregano, other herbs and spices, no MSG, no artificial ingredients, no fucking bullshit. Smashing! Then I have toffee crisp, smashing. Another one of green bastard rub barbecue spice, smashing. Then I have Lawry's seasoned salt. Then I have the grill, Montreal steak spice, pieces beefsteak de Montreal. It's I think steak seasoning. Then I got some garlic plus, or as the French say, ale plus. Smash it. You can't buy this shit over here in the UK. Swiss chalet dipping sauce. Mix. Mélange pour sauce trompette. Perfect. Whoa. Then I got Saint-Hubert. Don't know how to pronounce this one. Mélange sauce barbecue sauce mix. Perfect. Smash it. As I said before, you can't buy this shit over here. Oh, this is not sure what this is. Maybe it's a beer stand. Let's try it out with, give me a second, I will grab another beer. On the other hand, there's a secret ingredient, and I was dared to serve this one cold. So let's check. Works perfect. So let's check the secret. Come on! Oh. Ziploc bag. Nice. So it's wrapped in yellow stuff. Come on! Oh, baby! Guess what? It's another Ziploc bag. But this other Ziploc contains a steam whistle beer. Baby! JB, you rock. The next video is on you. And I will definitely use some of the ingredients in the next video. Smash in. See ya and bye bye.